State Weather Bureau says it is not ruling out the possibility of Typhoon Karina intensifying into a super typhoon. In its 11 a.m. bulletin, Pag-asa says Karina is forecast to steadily intensify and reach peak intensity before it makes landfall over Taiwan on Wednesday evening, July 24, or Thursday morning, July 25. According to Pag-asa, Karina strengthened further as it moved towards Taiwan.
A constant obstacle for the city of Dagupan. Flooding. With the wrath of Typhoon Karina at its course, things are about to become complicated. Those situated in low areas are more likely to deal with the rising waters. Though Dagupan had always been flood prone, ever since the killer quake that hit Luzon in year 1990. Which caused the city to subside.
Kasi ang nasaksihan kong lindol nung July 16, 1990. June, July. Yun ang pinakamalakas na lindol noon.
The years following the city's decrease in elevation, combined with the rising tide, marked the beginning of endless floods.
Sa banta ng pagbaha at storm surge, lalo na sa mga mababa.
Anti-Flood Commission, bubuuin ng lokal na pamahalaan upang pag-aralan kung paanong susolusyonan ang problema sa baha.
In Metro Manila, the situation is beyond disastrous. Severe flooding. Not because of the area's geographical location, nor an earthquake that caused subsidence. It's something much more. Mother Nature is making a statement. Relentless downpour which further aggravated the flooding situation. But the rains aren't to blame for the flood alone. Behind this force of nature lies a handful of factors. For some, the issue regarding the sewage system, while others point towards improper waste disposal.
Ang mga Pilipino, karamihan, walang disiplina. Tapon dito, tapon doon. Kala mo ang babait. Tinatapon na. Na hindi tinatapon sa tamang tapunan.